Thank you.
Physical education and recreation.
We've heard a lot about your facility and how a lot of sportsmen have come out from here. At one time, we were hoping that you'd send us some coach, boxing coach, but I don't know where that. What happened to that request? Maybe we'll send it to you again. But we came in yesterday to come and have bilateral talks with His Excellency the President, and then also to visit our medical students. We have 27 medical students. We met them last night, and I hope to see some of them again today. And we leave Cuba tomorrow.
Existían otros intereses. Al final el programa de la visita de ustedes se tuvo que ajustar a menos días y a menos horas. Y sin embargo, pienso que sabiamente, ¿no? He decidido que vamos a tomar la pasada por el Ministerio de Deportes, porque tenemos en la agenda cuestiones muy puntuales que vamos a hablar con ellos. Y por el nombre de todo el movimiento deportivo cubano, agradecemos ese gesto también.
So we know that you have reduced your agenda, and in that little time you have, you took the time to come here. So on behalf of all the sports movement in Cuba, we are honored to have you.
Thank you. Nosotros, usted conozca, con anterioridad habíamos firmado un memorando de entendimiento. En el año 17 ya caducó y abierto, ¿no?, al diálogo y al intercambio. Pienso que ese debe ser el punto de partida, ¿no?, de poder retomar todos los asuntos relacionados con el convenio entre las partes, hacer firmes los compromisos y cumplir.
So years past we signed a memorandum of agreement, but it expired in 2017. So we can take this ground for reestablishing that memorandum, those links for further cooperation.
No tenga ninguna preocupación. Nosotros, afortunadamente, en el país tenemos un colectivo de entrenadores con alto nivel científico y profesional, y podemos dar respuesta a su solicitud en un término de tiempo relativamente corto.
We count with the highest and best qualified professionals, coaching and anything you need, so you can feel secure by requesting whatever you need. We can provide it for you. The results we have obtained in the international sphere.
Physical activities for what?
November 11th, 14th.
For the region, for just Cuba?
Es internacional.
It's an international.
Es una convención y la convención tiene 11 eventos científicos.